Welcome to Mama's Mouth Kitchen. Today we are gonna make radish paratha. First, take a large bowl. Add whole wheat flour 1 cup. Add grated radish half cup. Add onion 1 finely chopped. Add ginger half teaspoon finely chopped. Add green chili half teaspoon finely chopped. Add black salt half teaspoon. Add ajwain half teaspoon. Add turmeric powder half teaspoon. Mix everything together. Stuff needs to form a smooth dough. Add water little by little until the dough comes together. Keep it rest for 5 minutes, but do not more than 5 minutes. Make one of the dough ball. Sprinkle dry flour on rolling board. Roll on dough ball into a round circle. Heat a pan and add ghee half teaspoon. Place the rolled filled paratha on the hot pan. Apply ghee on the paratha. Cook the side for a minute or two. Flip and apply ghee. Cook paratha for 30 seconds. Flip and cook for the other side also till golden spots start appearing. Crispy, soft, yummy Mooli Paratha is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share it with your family and your friends.